Hello. He's a little bitty for your friendly handyman. The clip had broke. Wasn't spinning, so I popped it off. All you do is gonna get one of those, and then you're gonna put it together, just like this. We flip this around, and then there's a camera, and just with this side right here, you stick it in there, just like that, around where the teeth, like that, and just hold it up together. You want the top teeth to go up on that thing up there. I'll show you right now. But you just hold it together like that, and then you're gonna stick it in there. I'll show you in a bit, a little more detail. Let me spin it around. And you just push it inside there, with your thumb, and just push it in, and then it's repaired. Sometimes it doesn't get in all the way. But that's how you will repair a blind clip. It's just the basics of how to, you just pop it off, the old one. Just pop it off and then put a new too. You can get save one from an old blind and get those little combs and repair it yourself. Till next time, peace out from your friendly handyman.